You'll learn how to create JSON prompts using the AI assistant without writing a single line of code. Let's launch the Generate Video Prompts for Veo3 workflow. We start with a scene description that captures the main idea of what we want to create. Next, we complete the form with key elements: camera angle and movement, lens type or effects, visual style and mood, temporal cue, music and SFX. You can also add an optional narration line. With this, your prompt is complete. The assistant instantly transforms your input into a full cinematic prompt, clearly specifying every action, interaction, and visual element in the scene. Once ready, convert your prompt into structured JSON with just one click. Paste the JSON into the video generator and let Veo3 turn it into a video. See what you can create, from sci-fi trailers to sleek product presentations.